Title: Essential Business Skills Every Entrepreneur Needs. Intro. Hi there, and welcome to this video on the essential business skills every entrepreneur needs to know. As an entrepreneur, you wear many hats, from marketing to finance, and from sales to management. But did you know that developing a few key business skills can make all the difference in the success of your venture? In this video, we'll explore the top skills you need to get started, and I'll show you how to develop them. Communication is key. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful business. It involves being able to clearly express your ideas, listen actively to others, and adapt your message to different audiences. As an entrepreneur, you'll need to communicate with clients, colleagues, and partners, so it's essential to develop your verbal and written communication skills. Practice articulating your ideas, ask for feedback, and learn to ask the right questions. Financial management. Managing your finances effectively is crucial to the success of your business. This includes creating a budget, tracking expenses, and making smart financial decisions. Start by understanding your revenue streams and fixed costs, then identify areas where you can cut back and allocate resources wisely. Time management. As an entrepreneur, you'll wear multiple hats, but that doesn't mean you can do everything yourself. Learn to prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and manage your time effectively. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, and project management software to stay organized and focused. Marketing and sales. Developing a marketing and sales strategy is vital to attracting and retaining customers. Identify your target audience, create a unique value proposition, and use various channels to reach them. Experiment with different marketing tactics, measure their effectiveness, and adjust your approach accordingly. Adaptability and resilience. Entrepreneurship can be unpredictable, and challenges will arise. Develop the skills to adapt to changing circumstances and learn to bounce back from setbacks. Stay flexible, be open to learning, and maintain a growth mindset. Networking and partnerships. Building relationships with other entrepreneurs, mentors, and partners can help you access new markets, share knowledge, and find support. Attend networking events, join online communities, and collaborate with others to expand your reach. Conclusion. In conclusion, developing the following business skills is essential for entrepreneurial success: effective communication, financial management, time management, marketing and sales, adaptability and resilience, and networking and partnerships. By focusing on these areas, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship and build a thriving business. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business skills.